Hello, my name is Matt Riley, and I'm the Fiduciary Officer at First National Bank and Trust. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy at this time, but I wanted to kind of reach out and touch on an important topic. It's always important, but it seems now more than ever, and that is estate planning. Estate planning is, and in general, just what you expect to do with your assets, everything like that, if something were to happen to you, if you were to pass away. So it's never a fun topic, sometimes not interesting, but I'm going to talk about a few things that can help you to really ensure that you have a good estate plan. So to get started, first is having a will. So if you don't have a will, this document is what will explain who gets what at the end of your life. So in some instances, you might think, well, I don't need that, but in a few states, actually, if you pass and don't have a will, your spouse only gets half of your assets while your children get the other half. So if you really want your assets to be passed in certain ways, you really need a will. And not only just a will, but an updated will. So if you have a will and think this doesn't apply to you, when's the last time you reviewed it? Was it 10, 20 years ago maybe? You want to review it every few years or anytime a life event happens. So having a will isn't enough, but having an updated will. Second would be possibly having a trust. So when you think about a trust, you think about maybe wealth, but trusts don't have to be from wealth. It can be to help someone with spending issues, or it can be for someone with special needs. If that is set up, then that person can continue getting government benefits while they are able to still benefit from the assets that were left for them. They're so to use those and not compromise anything that they're already getting. So think about a trust. It might not be for you, but it may be. Lastly, think about some healthcare directives. So these are your powers of attorney, some documents that will help show those who kind of what you want whenever you are unable to speak or communicate for yourself. So if you were to get in a car accident and were on life support, this would lay out who can make your decisions for you, and you can put in there what kind of decisions you want made. So how long do you want to be on life support, or things like that. So these are the three main topics or documents that you might need. And to go with this, you want to build a strong team around you. So first and obvious is probably an attorney. The attorney is going to draft the documents, going to help you talk through it. So you obviously want a good attorney. Next, you might want an insurance agent. So you might be thinking, do I have enough life insurance if I were to pass away early, or whenever I pass away, do I have enough to cover burial costs or anything like that? So your life insurance agent will probably be in that team as well. Third is going to be some type of a financial advisor. This is someone who can communicate with the life insurance agent to let them know the amounts you may need. Someone who can communicate with the attorney to show, here's what the assets they might have for a trust or a will. And the financial advisor can help you through retirement and give you a picture of what you might have at end of life. So you want this team to be able to work together. And then lastly, and possibly most importantly, communicate this with your family, with your loved ones. You don't want there to be any surprises whenever you do pass away. So be sure to let them know who might be the executor, who's getting what. It's only as awkward as you make it. Your loved ones understand that how the saying goes, there's two things certain in life. There's taxes and death. While it's not a fun topic, it's something that we need to talk about. So don't be afraid to breach that topic. So if you have any questions on these, or if you're curious how this fits into your scenario, or you need a financial advisor or someone to act like that, we are able to do all of that for you, speak with you, and help you along the process. So feel free to reach out, and looking forward to speaking with you.